Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you on sustainable diet. Let's save our planet, at the same time improve our health. So how can we play our part? So we can get our seafood mainly from sustainable sources, just water instead, and allow us to continue to have food for the rest of our life. Watch to the end and give it a go.
It's NutriJody!
Poor eating habits such as low intake of fruits and vegetables, over-consuming energy, bad fats, and sugar, these will cause us to have high risk of having obesity, diabetes, heart diseases, as well as some cancer. I bet that you hear this a lot, but do you know that this doesn't only affect our health, but it also impacts on the environment? Those eating habits that I mentioned earlier are jeopardizing the future security of our planet. Based on the One Blue Dot 2019, which is a sustainable diet toolkit created by a group of experts under the British Dietetic Association, it stated that the agriculture and livestock farming are by far the highest contributors to the greenhouse gas emission, deforestation, biodiversity loss, soil pollution, and as well as land and water use. Food production contributes to about 15 to 30% of the greenhouse gas emission only in the UK. So can you imagine if it's worldwide? And also overfishing and poor fishing practices have greatly impacted on the fish stocks. So with 85% of the fisheries fully exploited and also overfished. With that, the marine vertebrate population has been halved and the marine ecosystem has been damaged. Even though these data are based only in the UK, all other countries are actually doing the same thing to produce food for their people. So this is something that we also have to be aware of. It is crucial to eat sustainably as all these climate changes will impact all aspects of our food system. To save time, I'm not going to go too deep into how it affects the food system. In short, this will result in food shortage and many more. It will not just only affect our current generation, it will also affect the future ones as well. So how can we play our part? According to One Blue Dot, it suggested that we should, first of all, reduce red meats. Per person, we should eat less than 70 grams of red meat per day, which is equivalent to about 350 grams to 500 grams of meat per week, which is cooked weight, only red meat. This amount is similar to the amount an average person should consume per day for their protein requirements, which is about 20 to 25 grams per meal per person. Based on Health Hub, so 70 grams of beef is equivalent to a deck of cards, 20 to 25 grams of meat like chicken, beef is about 1 palm size, 3 eggs, 5 to 6 medium prawns, half a can of tuna, and 2 pieces of sardines. And of course, reducing red meat will lead to low intake in protein, which is a huge concern because in Singapore, most of our meals are based mainly on carbs. And so it is very crucial for us to consume plant-based protein food to prevent us from getting protein deficiency. So processed food and high energy dense food is a huge contributor to the greenhouse gas emission. Avoid eating them if possible, if not, lessen your consumption on this type of food. Eat only omega-3 fishes as most of the other fishes are overfished. So we can get our seafood mainly from sustainable sources and follow only oily fish recommendations. Example of an oily fish: salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring, is that how I say it? And we also can get seafoods from certified fisheries. Go on to the market, as long as you see the ASC logo, that's certified. More information on the recommended seafood to get can be found in the Worldwide Fund Singapore for Nature, which I'll put a link in the description box below. So if you want to know more on what type of fishes that's recommended and what type of fishes are caught in the wild or are from certified fisheries, you may go there and have a look. Next will be moderate dairy consumption. So use calcium fortified plant-based milk where needed, as milk from cows and goats are the second highest contributors to the greenhouse gas emission. And lastly, drink water instead of drinking soft drinks and fruit juice, because soft drink and fruit juice are the third highest contributors to the greenhouse gas emission. And soft drinks requires more energy to produce and also significantly requires higher transport costs due to a range of ingredients. And not just this, the impact of plastic needed to use as drink packaging also significantly impacted on the greenhouse gas emission, and we should make an effort to use refillable water bottles and drink just water instead. All the above recommendations are aligned with My Healthy Plate Singapore on healthy eating. This can help to reduce the risk of having illnesses and diseases at the same time, reducing the greenhouse gas emission to the planet too. So one small step can make a difference to the world, so please make the necessary changes to not just help yourself but the planet too, and allow us to continue to have food for the rest of our life. Right now, I've come to the end of the video. I hope that this video is helpful and informative. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.